No matter how big a tire business gets, technician demand is a real issue for every shop out there. However, after a promising amount of technician hires in recent years, could the technician shortage be faltering? A look at demand and how our top shops find success may give us that answer. Let's talk more about that.
This video is sponsored by Wix Filters, manufacturers of filters for automobiles, trucks, off-road equipment, and manufacturing applications. Go to wixfilters.com for more information.
Hello and welcome back to Rollin' with the Numbers, where we present you what data that gives tire dealers information to keep their tire businesses rolling, based on research conducted with our independent tire dealer audience and beyond. My name's Christian, and on this week's show, we're taking a look at how top shops are handling the demand for technicians. In recent years, we've seen actual growth in terms of technicians hired in this industry. Now, that doesn't mean technician shortage or demands are going away, but there's a reason to be optimistic about last year's TechForce Foundation supply and demand report. After a period of declining employment numbers from 2018 to 2020, there were signs of a rebound in 2021. Close to 30,000 automotive technicians were employed that year, which represented a 4.2 increase in tech employment compared to 2020. That trend was promising. However, the demand for automotive technicians, driven by those choosing to move on, still surpasses the demand that comes from shop growth. This means that those shops are growing and in turn need new employees. That still doesn't outweigh the demand created from occupational separations, or the amount of technician exits and occupational transfers. For example, in this chart, between 2022 and 2026, just over 178,000 new positions are needed because of growth demand, while nearly 413,000 will be needed during the same period due to occupational separation. That's where our top shops come in. You'll find that oftentimes these tire dealers treat their employees like family and offer growth with training on a frequent basis. This promotes retention and makes your business more attractive to potential young technicians. Take Tire Review's 2023 Top Shop winner, Black's Tire and Auto. Black's Tire leadership prides itself on allowing Black's team members, as well as partner dealers and wholesale partner dealers, access to training. Nothing can stop Black's willingness to train employees, not even a global pandemic. In fact, during the height of COVID, a small team at Black's created a green screen room at the company's BTS Training Center to keep its annual sales and training conference alive. Now, by 2026, the demand for technicians created by occupational separations could be at its highest, peaking at almost 88,000. Meanwhile, the demand from growth could be at its lowest point since last year. A large number of occupational separations are due to retirement. So if your shop doesn't offer competitive options, you may not be able to retain them until retirement in the first place. Our 2022 top shop, Telly Tire, gives its employees plenty of benefits, including retirement. To further promote retention and recruitment, Telly also offers 401k matching, health insurance, and special perks like paid vacation on birthdays, profit sharing, and more. Telly Tire also offers its technicians a continuous stream of training opportunities, from digital training to hands-on, formal, and on-the-job training. The key is positioning your shop as an attractive place to build a career, not just a job. Ample learning opportunities, room for advancement, and collaborative team culture are strong draws for aspiring techs. Investing in your staff today creates a solid pipeline for tomorrow. But we want to hear from you. How are you dealing with the technician shortage? So that's it for today's show. But for more business operations data to help boost tire dealer profitability, please be sure to watch out for our next episode. If you subscribe to our newsletter, it's in there. Look out for it. Until next time, keep on rolling.